United States President Donald Trump on Tuesday, July 22, 2025, again sharply criticized Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, although he appeared to be holding back his immediate plans to fire him. "I think Powell is doing a terrible job, but he'll be out soon," Trump told reporters during a question-and-answer session at the White House. "In 8 months, he'll be out," as reported by CNBC International. This statement comes amid ongoing speculation about Powell's fate and legal questions surrounding whether the president actually has the authority to fire the head of the central bank. Powell's term as Fed chairman is scheduled to end in May 2026. Trump, who appointed Powell as Fed chairman during his previous term, has repeatedly criticized the Fed's cautious approach to interest rate cuts, even though the institution lowered the benchmark rate by a full percentage point ahead of the 2024 election. According to Trump, Powell's policies have been too slow to respond to economic conditions. He even gave Powell the cynical nickname, "Always too late." "He's always late. He should have lowered interest rates many times," Trump said. "People can't buy homes because this guy is a moron. He keeps interest rates too high, probably for political reasons." Trump also considered firing Powell, even raising the idea directly with Republicans at a meeting in his office last week. However, he later stated that such a move was highly unlikely. Beyond interest rate policy, Trump and the White House have also questioned the multi-billion-dollar renovation project at the Federal Reserve building in Washington, D.C. The White House has criticized the ongoing $2.5 billion renovation project at 2 Fed buildings in the U.S. Capitol. White House Deputy Chief of Staff James Blair, in a post on the platform X on Tuesday, stated that administration officials would conduct an on-site inspection next Thursday. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, who on the same day called Powell a great public servant, also expressed concern about the Fed's direction and spending beyond monetary policy. "The Fed needs to do a major internal investigation, not of its monetary policy, but of everything else," Bessent said. "The Fed is experiencing an overexpansion of its mission, and that's where a lot of the spending is happening." Trump also alluded to the project in his statement, sarcastically. "They could have spent $2.7 billion on a building. And they're not doing anything," he said.